Hello, and welcome to Mortgage Tips with the Mortgage Mom. And today we are going to talk about navigating mortgages confidently. So, whether this is your first time applying for a mortgage, you've started the process before and for some reason stopped, or you're just looking for a fresh perspective, what I'm here to do today is share with you that the mortgage process does not have to be a maze. There are truly three pillars in the actual mortgage process. We like to call them the CIA: your credit, your income, and your assets. So how long does it take to actually get a mortgage pre-approval? Well, that's going to depend on you. The first thing we're going to do is look at your credit. A lot of you guys get a little bit weirded about that. Is this going to be a hard pull or a soft pull? Well, we will do a soft pull initially at the beginning of the actual process, but at some point we are going to need to pull a hard pull. But do me a favor, you should always know whether you're shopping for a mortgage or an auto loan or even a credit card, you want to know what your credit score is. So go to myfico.com. Know your score in advance of speaking to your lender so that you can have some frame of reference about what that score is. Even if it's not necessarily where we need it to be, what we want you to do is to begin to engage in the process. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Number two, we're going to look at your income. Your income, we need to know, are you paid salaried? Are you paid hourly? Do you receive Social Security benefits? Are you getting a pension? Your income is going to tell us the stability of how much money you have coming in. So we need to be able to help you navigate how much money is actually going to be going out. The third thing we're going to do is see if you have assets. I know you want all of the first-time home buyer programs and all of the grants that are available, and that's absolutely okay. But there are still costs that come out of pocket. We're talking about appraisal. We're talking about earnest money, home inspection. You want to have some assets when you're starting this process. And finally, once we've taken a look at your credit, your income, and your assets, that's when we're actually able to issue you a pre-approval letter so you know how much you have to go out and shop with. Yes, your credit score is key, but don't let that stop you from initiating the process. A lot of you try to fix your credit and it actually sends you back the other way. So please do me a favor. You got to get in front of your lender so that you can actually have a financial professional to take a look at that for you. Your income, again, it is key. That's how we're going to be able to make sure that you stay within a budget, a safety net. Lenders are going to usually look at your debt to income ratio to see how much house you can afford. It's going to range somewhere between 43 to 50%, but we'll take a deeper dive into that at another time. And yes, how much money you have in the bank absolutely matters. So again, the mortgage process is really as simple as 1, 2, 3: credit, income, and assets. So please don't deter from getting the process started today. We're here to help you navigate through it. Happy house hunting. I am Cecilia Marlowe, and I look forward to being your lender. So pick up the phone and give me a call today, 773-547-3677, or go ahead and get your application started online.